Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to group start menu the apps to group them together. For example, you have Word, Excel, PowerPoint, you want them to group together, you just left click and drag it to the similar app. Then do the same thing, and you can do the Microsoft Store because all of them are Microsoft. So you can group similar application together. But this option only available in the preview Windows 11 now. So it will available to the normal Windows 11 users later. So, okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.